These are the elevators at the Industrialist Hotel in the old Arrott Building, downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Sorry about that, there's security over here, but it seems like there's a number of people here. These are originally manual Otis, and they're modded by Haughton with Type H buttons. But now it's recently been turned into a hotel. It opened just literally on Tuesday, this Thursday, and now they have their Eastern and PTL VR2. I think they're probably going to be carded soon, but obviously they're not carded yet. It's kind of like a hotel in DC. No lantern inside. That's the manual of this. Yeah, they only modded these are actually complete replacements. They only did so to the Haughtons. They didn't do so to the manual Otis. We'll end it down at 2. 88 phone. It's a very nice cab. Very nice new cab. There's a Big Brother as a camera. Luckily, I don't think it's security mode with that. Just there's a front desk like that. 1312. I did film these when they were original. These are a lot faster. Obviously, they have new motors, but these are complete replacements anyhow. Now, brass VR2 buttons. These are actually very nice. Band Resist actually goes here because then they can theme the buttons better. If they just use like Performer or whatever, it would just be a cheap plastic looking. And actually, that's actually a joke. Actually, he talks, but that voice is like extremely quiet. The front desk is there. I'll go to 3, but it might be going down. No, it's going up. Yeah, front desk is like right there. And yeah, the other one was open now. But it said it was on 1, that was just weird. That voice. Yeah, so they are going to be locked as I speak. It's a different button. What are these buttons? Like innovation. That's weird. That's weird. Alright, that's it. Oh wow, I love those lanterns. This might be original, I'm not sure. Alright. That wasn't, that's gonna be it.